Today we'll be practicing on a mat, focusing on simple, easy yoga poses to stretch out the back and move your body with your breath. This slow and gentle flow will empower your body and mind. Get ready on the mat. Sit down. Then lie down. Arms beside you. Heels in line with your knees. Check your neck. Find where you feel comfy. Let's start with some spinal movements. Look at the photo. Ready? Inhale, arch. Push the tail down to the floor. Exhale, belly in. Lift the tail off the floor. Inhale, create a big arch between the floor and your lower back. Exhale, belly in. Push the lower back down against the floor. One more inhale, use your back. And exhale, use your core. Now find the middle between these two poses, then hold. Maintain your neutral spine position. Just a very small gap between your lower back and floor. Left leg up, inhale. Exhale, down. Right leg up, inhale. Exhale, down. Keep moving. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale, right up. Exhale. Keep your spine long while you move. Move gently with your breath. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale, left. And right up together. Hold. Recall the neutral spine position. Feel heavy in the hip. Inhale. Exhale, breathe out. Hug in your legs. Move your ankles in circles for 3. And change to the other direction for 3. Slowly place your feet down. Relax and breathe. Next, extend both legs long. Feel your spine long from neck to tail. Inhale, left knee up above the hip. Exhale, draw your knee into your shoulder. Inhale, knee back above the hip. Exhale, down. Right knee up, inhale. Exhale, knee to shoulder. Inhale, back to 90. Exhale, down. Link your breath with your movements. Maintain your spine long. Move slowly. Be mindful of every movement. Make sure you're not tensing your neck. One more at each side. Inhale, lift leg up. Exhale, pull. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale, lift. Exhale, knee in. Inhale, back up. Exhale, release. Find where you feel comfy. Rest and breathe. Next, legs back to center. Extend your arms out, hands a bit lower than your shoulder. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, pull the belly, left knee up towards you as far as you can. Inhale, hold there strongly. Exhale, twist to the right about 45 degrees. Right hip press strongly to hold the leg up against gravity. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, release. Right up, inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, hold. Exhale to the left. Press the left hip and right arm firmly down. Spine long, not arching. Inhale back and exhale down. One more at each side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, pull your belly, knee in. Inhale, hold. Exhale, twist. Hold strongly and breathe. Inhale back up. Exhale down. Last one, inhale, right lift. Exhale, knee in. Inhale, hold. Exhale, twist. Inhale back up. Exhale, release. Rest and breathe. Next, legs together. Pull your heels in under your knees. Then let's recall neutral spine position. Inhale, arch up. Exhale, round. And find the middle. Maintain the spine, left leg up, and then right. Hip heavy, belly in. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, legs out 45 degrees. Legs in line with your hip. Inhale back to center. Exhale, extend out. Inhale. Exhale. Move with your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hold here. Legs active. Breathe. Inhale deeply. Exhale, legs back to center and hug in the knees. Feet down. Feet wide out. Drop the knees and relax. Breathe. Next, feet hip distance, heels in line with your knees. Arm extend long down to your toes. Prepare for bridge pose. Don't forget to breathe. Press down to the base, lift the hip up, hold, and check your neck. There should not be any weight in the neck. Slowly lower down. Try again. Press down to your feet, your arms, and from the top of your upper back. Extend your spine long to the knees. Gently lower down. 3 more. Lift, squeeze your legs, press the inside of the feet down firmly towards the floor. Then down. Lift slowly. And slowly down. Place your hip down as quiet as you can. Last one, lift. Squeeze your legs and glutes. Maintain the long spine. Keep your belly in. Arms up and over. Press your feet and the top of the upper back down. Feel your spine extending long. Then hip down, arms down. Slowly come down. Relax. Last, to release, move your feet together. Extend the right leg out. Left foot up to the inside of the right knee. Left arm out to the side. Then exhale, twist. Turn the head to the opposite side. Hold and breathe. Inhale back. Then change. Right arm out, right foot to the inside of the left knee. Twist. Pull your knee away from your arm. Inhale back, then one more at each side. Inhale, foot touched. Exhale, twist. Breathe deeply. Inhale back and to the last side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Breathe and relax. Bring back and relax. Pull your knees in, hug in your legs. Move your ankles and feet to release. Make your neck and shoulders relaxed. Feet down. Press your feet, lift your hip, extend your hip to the heels, and then place it down. Extend the legs, arms, head, out from center. Close your eyes. Allow every part of your body to be relaxed. Feel heavy in your legs, hip, upper back, back of your arms, and your head. Notice your body and notice your breath. This mindful practice is very safe and very good for your spine. Focusing on breathing together with moving helps improving flexibility and empowers the body and mind. Hopefully this clip would give you a good basis for beginners who just start practicing at home. If you like therapeutic yoga, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to find more of my new videos. I'll leave you here. Enjoy your peaceful time. Stay healthy. Namaste.